All right, you guys, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI influencer. This is the most effective and quickest method to do so because AI influencers are absolutely dominating right now for the past year and a half or so. But now, especially with the release of all these crazy models and tools, it just gets better and better. So accounts like Mia Zilu with almost 300,000 followers, 100% AI. And then the classic Fit Aitana, 100% AI, almost 400,000 followers. And arguably the one who started it all, Lil Michaela, with 2.2 million followers, all AI. And these accounts, mostly owned by dudes, are getting brand deals, crazy amounts of money by just creating AI content using an avatar that's not human. And so many of you are probably like, oh my gosh, this is so terrible for society. This is inhumane, unethical. But if you think about it, it's really no different than Mickey Mouse or Tony the Tiger. What's another mascot? A digital, like any character, Goku, Saitama. It's just the technology has gotten so good that now it's indistinguishable from reality. So whether or not you want to pick sides, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to do this. So first and foremost, the tool that we're going to use for this is Helix AI. So you can go to the link down below, sign up for free, and this will get you everything that you need to create these influencers and much more. So just sign up, free account. And then in the dashboard, we can actually just go to the Media Lab for now. And what you're going to need to do is just record a video. So this could be a video of you, this could be a TikTok video. It really doesn't matter too much. But what we are going to want to do first is get your video. I'm going to use this one right here, where it's just me, looking around, doing some facial expressions and a quick little pose, little flexing. So we have our video. The next thing we're going to need is a reference image, whatever you want to transform yourself into. It could be a orangutan, it could be a woman, it could be a man, it could be an alien. I've seen people turn themselves into Tow Mater from the Disney movie Cars. It really doesn't matter. And we can do all of it from here. So figure out what it is that you want, all right? And then type it into here. So what I'm going to do, because I've already done, the fitness influencer. So let's do something a little bit more uncanny, like a middle-aged balding man. A portrait of a middle-aged businessman with a receding hairline, photorealistic, isolated against a white background. So something like that. It doesn't need to be too crazy. And then also, depending on the video that you used, my video is 9:16, which is vertical TikTok, social media format. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle this. So we have that. And then I'm just going to toggle 1080p because it's cheaper. And then also you can choose the amount of variants that you want, but I only want one. So I'm going to click generate there. So now we have a little dancing orangutan there, and now we just wait. And of course I'm using Nano Banana 2 for this. You can use GPT Image 2, or you can use Nano Banana Pro. It really doesn't matter too much. I personally like Nano Banana 2 for this because I've used it the most, but honestly, GPT Image 2 is the newest model and it is pretty insane. So definitely choose from one of these. All right. So now I'm going to call him Jared. This is Jared. I'm going to turn myself into Jared. So now that we have Jared, let's go and create the perfect reference image for the shapeshift. And that means what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the video, right? So we have this video, and then we want the first frame. So I'm not going to click play. I'm just going to click extract frame. So now what this is going to do is it's going to save this frame to my media gallery. So now if I go back, we have my image. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, I already have a duplicate image of it. So it's right here. If you can't see it for whatever reason, just refresh, but mine's right here. So I'm going to drag my reference image here. And then also I'm going to drag our picture of Jared. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Nano Banana 2 and I'm going to say, swap out the man with the tank top with the man in the tuxedo, or I guess I'll say suit, just so it doesn't change his outfit. So just like that, make sure aspect ratio is good, go 1080p, and then we'll just generate. So you could get away with just using the image of Jared with the reference video. But what I've found is if you swap with the image and use that image with that background, it's going to give you a much better result. Trust me. All right. And there we have Jared. It didn't encapsulate it perfectly, but this should work. The pose is a little off and the proportion is a little off as well. But if we feed this then to our shapeshift model. So if you go over to video right here and you click shapeshift, we now need the reference image here and then also the reference video. So we'll just go back to the video, drag that sucker in there, make sure the aspect ratio is good. Then you can do 720p or 1080p. Doesn't really matter too much. So I'm going to go with 720p. It's a little cheaper. And so now with the prompt, you just prompt whatever it is that you're doing in the video. If it's a dancing video, you can just do dancing. If it's something like this, we'll do the man looks at the camera and poses. Simple as that. And so now we'll just click generate. And also, it's worth mentioning that the Kling model that powers this shapeshift mode can handle videos up to 30 seconds long. I thought it was 15 seconds for some reason. All right, and we have Jared. Let's check it out. That is pretty nuts. And mind you, this is 720p. This isn't 1080p. This is the lowest quality that you can generate. And it looks phenomenal. So yeah, there you have it. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully you guys are able to create some cool stuff. And hopefully you guys use this responsibly because this technology is absolutely insane. So my friends, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you need to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.